This is Vembanad Lake. This is Kayankulam. This is Asthamudi, and it is Sastham Kotta. Which are the lakes I said that? And all are lagoons. Vembanad, Kayankulam, and Vembanad, the mouth of this Vembanad, यहाँ पर there is a Kochi. So Kochi lake is what I said that? Vembanad. Kochi lake is in what? Vembanad lake. And this is known as an Ernakulam district. ये Ernakulam district में आप. I said Kochi. I said, what is Mujiris? Old forts, ancient forts. And then last year आप लोग इसको जाके पढ़ लेंगे. It is in the current affair. Understood? Mujiris Kerala. Kerala में there is another people started talking about whatever the Mujiris and all other things are there, so that they can bring there is a more tourism in the what? Kerala. And I said UNESCO, and then these are the what is an UNESCO and some other what is an organization is helping in the growth of tourism over here. So which one I said that? Vembanad Lake, Kayankulam, Asthamudi, Sastamkotta. These are the 4 lakes. But Kayankulam को छोड़कर, after leaving this one, Vembanad, Asthamudi, Sastamkotta are what? Wetland. Which are the 3 wetlands? और आज की डेट में 8 मुंडी समझते हो? हेड काटना आराम से लोग काट के मार देते हैं. डेली हर पल कोई ना कोई मर रहा है इंडिया में. And due to what is an illegal killing. I said that 8 मुंडी सस्ते में कट जाता है. सस्तम कोट्टा. Astamudi, Sastam Kotta. Astamudi, and these lakes in the Kerala known as, just tell me, lagoon lakes in the Kerala known as Kayal. K for Kerala, K for Kayal. Understood? So which are the wetlands and the lakes in Kerala? Lakes are what? Vembanad, Kayankulam, yes, Astamudi, Sastam Kotta. Vembanad तो आप लोग बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हो यार. Vembanad, हाँ. Vembanad, Kayankulam, yes, and then Astamudi, Sastam Kotta. So Astamudi, and then you can see Sastam Kotta. Understood? हाँ? क्या? हाँ, waterway 3 है यहाँ पर. That is Kottapuram to Kollam. वो जब waterways करेंगे तब. And there is an Udyog Mandal and Champakkara canal is also there. So I said. हमने क्या कहा? What are the lakes we have seen till now? First we are going to see. First in the Jammu and Kashmir. First I say Satpara, Dal, Sheshna, Nagin. Satpara, Dal, Sheshna, Nagin, Manasbal, Ular, Hokersar. Ular, Hokersar wetland. Then I said Salt Lake, Pangongong So, Sokar, So Moriri. So Moriri is in a wetland. And Mansar, Surinsar. This is in the, and it is also wetland. Thereafter we are seeing what is in a Himachal Pradesh. And in a Himachal Pradesh we have seen, I said, first Revalsar, Parasar, Govind Sagar. Ravakara, Parasar along with Govind. Thereafter I said that Maharana Pratap Sagar, Khajjar, Lama Dal Lake, Nag Dal Lake, Mahakali, Mani Mahas. Understood? And then I said that Surajtal, Chandratal, and then Bhigu, Nakol, Renuka. Chandratal, Renuka, Maharana Pratap Sagar, these are what? Wetland. Understood? And one Chamira. Thereafter I said, yes, Gauri Kund, Nainital, Bhimtal, Saftal. Then Punjab. And in the Punjab I said, yes, Harike wetland, Kanjali, and yes, Ropar. And then in the Haryana, Faridabad, Surajkund and Badkal, and then in the Gurugram, Damdama. Then Rajasthan we have seen, there is, I said that Sambar, Puskar, Anna Sagar, Balasmand, Pachpadara. Which are I said that? Yes, Sambar, Puskar, Anna Sagar, Balasmand, Pachpadara, Didwana, Digana. Then towards Rajasthan, एंड उदयपुर. राजसमंद, ढेबर, फतेह सागर. राजा तभी बनोगे दिन भर मेहनत करोगे. देन फतेह सागर एंड नक्की. अंडरस्टूड. देन आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स केवलादेव. एंड केवलादेव इज व्हाट I said? National park, lake, and it is also wetland. Thereafter we move towards, I said that, Gujarat. And the Gujarat we have seen, I said that, Narayan Sarovar, Nal Sarovar, Kankariya. And Nal Sarovar is in what? Wetland. And Nal Sarovar and Kankariya both are in Ahmedabad. Thereafter I said, in the Telangana, I said that there is which lake I said? Samir Peak, Hussain Sagar, Himayat Sagar, Usman Sagar, Mir Alam Tank. Then we have seen Kolleru, Eluru, Karugiri, and then Pulikat. And Pulikat mein which island is there? Sri Harikota. Then I said Arani. Which one I said that? Arani. Then coming to Tamil Nadu, Red Hills, Chembrabakkam, Solavaram, and then I said Kolavai. Then again coming back down one, and then we have seen there is a Madhurantakam, Kali ban gayi, Kali Veli, and then Karikili. And then boys, what I said that? Yarakud, Kadai, Kodaiya, Kulsekaram. Then Sikkim, what we have seen in the Sikkim? I said Guru, Dongmar, Kha Chotpalri, Main Marcho, and you have to remember Song. Understood? And then I said that in the Kerala, Vembanad, Kayankulam, Astamudi, Sastamkotta. Vembanad, Kayankulam, Astamudi, Sastamkotta. After Kayankulam, rest three are what? I said that ध्यान में रखेंगे. Kayankulam छोड़कर all are I said that K for Kayankulam को छोड़कर जो कयाल ही होता है. Thereafter Vembanad, Astamudi, Sastamkotta. These are what? Wetland. Next we are going to see in the Manipur there is which lake I said that? Loktak Lake. It is also wetland. And within the Loktak Lake there is a floating national park. What is the name of this? Kibul Lamjao. बुलबुल लामा के पास जाओ. किबुल और लामा जी वैसे ही इतने ज्यादा अमीर है कि किसी को कुछ दे नहीं सकते, मतलब गरीब है. I said that Loktak Lake is a wetland, and within the Loktak Lake there is a floating national park in the world. And what is the name? Kibul Lamjao. यदि मैंने आपसे बोला how many पूड़ी that you can eat, कितनी पूड़ी खा सकते हो? Yes, 4, 5, 6. वैसे भी पूड़ी की साइज छोटी होती है. अंडरस्टूड? और तुम लोग यंग हो, जितना एनर्जी लूज करोगे उतना ही ज्यादा खाओगे. अंडरस्टूड? वो बुढ़ों का होता है 3 और 4 और 2. सो आई सेड दैट, हमने क्या बोला? क्या बोल रहा था? पूड़ी. हाँ. तो यदि somebody is and you are on the what is in a having on a plate, और कोई लड़कों को 3 पूड़ी दे दे, कितनी पूड़ी दे दे? जनरली दे हैव एन आइडिया दैट आई विल ईट एटलीस्ट 4. दे कैन क्रॉस 1 or 2 more. और कोई 3 पूड़ी दे दे और उसके बाद वेट करने के लिए छोड़ दे और आए भी नहीं, तो दिमाग क्या हो जाता है? भूख और बढ़ जाती है. यू बिकम मोर हंग्री इंटरनली. देन आई सेड दैट 3 पूड़ी देकर कोई चकमा हो गया. क्या हो गया? देयर इज एन त्रिपुरा में क्या है? चकमा ट्राइब. एंड उससे आप क्या हो गए? यू बिकम वेरी एंग्री, रुद्र हो गए. सो देयर इज एन रुद्र सागर लेक एंड रुद्र सागर वेटलैंड. रुद्र सागर लेक एंड रुद्र सागर वेटलैंड. सो इन त्रिपुरा वन यू हैव सीन ट्राइब, क्योंकि आज आप लोगों को ट्राइब्स भी कराया जाएगा, द होल ट्राइब्स ऑफ इंडिया. आई सेड विच वन आई सेड? त्रिपुरा में चकमा ट्राइब एंड विच लेक? Rudra Sagar Lake, and Rudra Sagar Lake is also what? Wetland. Understood? Tripura is, you must be knowing, na? Tripura यहाँ पे. Everyone must be knowing. Now Meghalaya. Meghalaya has, I said that, which lake? Umiam. Which lake? Yes. मेघ से क्या होता है? What is the मेघ? What is the meaning of मेघ? Cloud. मेघ means cloud. And when the rainfall started taking place, when it is taking place, आप क्या हो जाते हो? If you do not have umbrella, then you will take in a shelter from the shop, generally shops and something. और कोई जा रहा होगा तो उसको क्या बोल के बुलाओगे? कम ही है, और ही इज मुसलमान, तो क्या बोलोगे? ओ मियाँ इधर आ जाओ. क्या बोलोगे? ओ मियाँ. सो मेघ में आप क्या करोगे? मेघ के समय में उमियाम. विच लेक आई सेड दैट मेघालय हैज उमियाम. एंड नियर बाय, कल बताना भूल गया, देयर इज एन वेटलैंड अलोंग द ब्रह्मपुत्र. नियर बाय देयर इज एन दीपोर बिल. विच वन आई सेड दैट? इट इज इन अ लेक एंड इट इज ऑल्सो wetland. It is in a lake and it is also wetland nearby Brahmaputra river in Assam. In village area, what happen in the evening time? Evening को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? शाम. आसाम. शाम में आप क्या करते हो? Yes. शाम में क्या करते हैं? दीप जलाते हैं. दीपोर बिल. Understood? Assam has which wetland? I said that, and lake Dipor Bill. And in Bihar, Kamartal. In Bihar, Kamartal, or it is also known as Kabartal. क्योंकि बिहार में क्या होता है? The people has problem with the what is in the words. They are very good at speaking English also. So I said, if forest को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? One. But they will pronounce like bun. They have to go to bun. Bun में जाना है, तो थोड़ा सा pronunciation में problem है. I said that forest. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या है? कांवरताल. So they can say like कबरताल. And yesterday if you have seen that Ganga river is going like this in Bihar. And there is a Ghagra, Gandak, Bodhi Gandak, Kosi, Mahananda, and all coming. And this area is completely, I said that first, throughout the year nearby this region is flooded. And this is known as Chaur. It is known as, I said that, Chaur. Understood? And that is also a kind of tal. Tal means pond. Nearby the what is in a river, there will be a tal. And river used to meander. When the river जितना old stage की ओर आएगा, there is a meandering is more, जो आप river line form physical geography में देखेंगे. And this side, outside is more erosion. The river speed is more. Then river speed is more. The river speed is more. And यहीं पर river cliff and this side is slip of slope. River cliff, slip of slope. And there is a formation of river cliff, slip of slope. Or deepest part of the river is always along this outer side. That is known as a pulse, or in between that is known as a riffles. ये सारी चीजों को समझेंगे in the physical geography classes. And जब erosion होते जाता है, that becomes what is more meandering. So this section will started meandering like this. And this side is जो यहाँ पे erosion कर रहे हैं, that is a depositing along this. So it is becoming like this. And then it is becoming like this. And here. So it started more meandering. So when there is a more meandering, then I said, so this section, all this section will keep on again. What is in a more there is a more erosion outer bank. Yes, and then slowly and slowly over the period it enlarged. And when it get enlarged, you can be able to see like this. And after certain period again it is outer bank, and then it will make, or this section will get cut off. And then now the river started moving like this in this straight channel, and this is known as an Oxbow Lake, or it is also known as Cut Off Lake. And I said that this is, I said that ये क्या है? Kavartal. That is, I said that several such kind of lakes you will see in Bihar. It is in a Kabartal. It is in a Oxbow Lake. Which lake is this? Oxbow Lake. Bihar. Jharkhand is this.